Finally, a mattress solution that keeps hot sleepers cool all night while giving side sleepers the perfect pressure relief they've been missing. This natural latex topper has thousands of honeycomb-shaped pores that create constant airflow, expelling heat and moisture while you sleep. It perfectly conforms to your hips and shoulders, eliminating pressure points that cause tossing and turning. The medium firm feel works for back, side, and stomach sleepers. Stop suffering through hot, uncomfortable nights. Link in description and subscribe GOTOSHARP.
Stop throwing your $200 gaming headset on the desk like it's garbage. I was doing the same thing until I broke 2 expensive headsets worth over $100 each. This new B-stand changed everything. The sturdy aluminum construction keeps your headphones safe and secure. Protective rubber cushioning prevents scratches. It fits any brand: Sennheiser, Sony, Bose, gaming headsets, you name it. Takes 30 seconds to assemble. 3 pieces click together perfectly. Compact design saves desk space without the clutter. Link in description and subscribe GOTOSHARP.
I haven't been to Starbucks in months because this machine makes better lattes than they do. The Nespresso Creatista Plus delivers cafe-style quality right from my kitchen counter. With 8 different foam textures and 11 temperature settings, I can customize. The brushed stainless steel looks stunning and it heats up in just 3 seconds. No more waiting in lines or paying premium prices for mediocre coffee. This machine has completely transformed my morning routine and saved me hundreds of dollars. Order your Creatista Plus today, link in description, and subscribe GOTOSHARP.
This tiny torch just saved my camping trip when the power bank died and I needed 8 hours of light from a 1-hour charge. The CUU rechargeable torch delivers 200 lumens of brightness with 8 different modes, including emergency red-blue flashing. Its magnetic base stuck perfectly to my camp table for hands-free cooking. Weighs only 1.55 ounces, but survived a night of rain thanks to IPX4 waterproofing. USB-C charging means I can juice it up with any device. Don't get caught in the dark again. Grab yours now. Link in description and subscribe GOTOSHARP.
This tiny apartment hack just turned my cramped laundry corner into a space-saving powerhouse that even my landlord was impressed by. The Hoover Universal Stacking Kit literally doubles your floor space by securely mounting your dryer on top of your washer. No drilling required, just safety straps and a wall mount that took me 20 minutes to install. The sliding shelf is genius for folding clothes without bending over. It holds 12 kilos and fits washing machines from 47 to 62 seamer deep. Stop living with laundry chaos and grab yours today. Link in description and subscribe GOTOSHARP.
My washing machine was literally shaking the entire house until I put this under it. Now my neighbors can't even tell when I'm doing laundry. This Mario 10 anti-vibration mat is made from recycled rubber that absorbs all those annoying vibrations. It's 60/60 seamers, but you can cut it to fit perfectly. The best part? It's eco-friendly and stops your machine from walking across the floor during spin cycles. Don't let your laundry disturb the peace anymore. Grab this mat today. Link in description and subscribe GOTOSHARP. I haven't rolled a single roadie by hand since getting this AI-powered machine that does everything with one button press. 20 rotis ready in 2 minutes flat, from dry flour to perfectly puffed bread. The touchscreen lets me control thickness, roast level, and oil content for each batch. It automatically stops when I open the door, making it safe for my kids to use too. Perfect for busy families, small restaurants, anyone who loves fresh flatbreads without the hassle. The compact design fits any kitchen counter. Buy now, link in description, and subscribe GOTOSHARP. Stop fighting with batter that won't spread evenly. This T-shaped spreader changed my entire breakfast game. The stainless steel construction means it won't warp under heat like cheap plastic tools. You get both the spreader and spatula in one convenient kit. The ergonomic handle prevents hand fatigue even when making multiple crepes. Plus, it works for pancakes, pizzas, and sandwiches too. My kids actually request crepes now because I can make them quickly and perfectly. Transform your breakfast routine and grab this professional-grade crepe kit now. Link in description and subscribe GOTOSHARP.
Finally, a fan that's bold enough to express how you really feel about summer heat. The Fazura fan puts your thoughts right on display with its unapologetic message. This isn't your grandma's flimsy fan. It's made from quality sustainable wood that actually works. The reversible orange gradient design looks incredible against summer outfits, and at 42.5 by 23 sim memory, it provides real cooling power. Plus, the included hanger keeps it accessible without digging through bags. Festival goers are obsessing over this thing. Stop suffering. Buy now and subscribe GOTOSHARP. Stop using your phone flashlight like a rookie when this rechargeable keychain torch can light up an entire campsite. I watched campers next to us struggling to set up their tent with dim phone lights while our Lumalink illuminated everything. Waterproof design survived 3 rainy nights. Multiple modes include white light, strobe, and even red-blue emergency signals. At just 70 grams, it disappears on your keychain until you need serious light. Don't be that person fumbling in the dark. Get your professional-grade mini torch now, link in description, and don't forget subscribe GOTOSHARP.
Neck pain ruining your day? This inflatable stretcher banishes tech neck in just minutes. The adjustable inflation lets you customize exactly how much traction you need. Unlike those bulky foam pillows, this deflates to pocket size but gives you 360-degree support when inflated. The soft, washable cover feels amazing against your skin. Takes maybe 16 pumps to inflate and boom, instant relief. Don't let neck pain control your life anymore. Buy now and subscribe. GOTOSHARP, link in description.
This umbrella lets you hold your crying toddler and stay completely dry when getting out of the car. The C-shaped handle hooks right onto your arm, leaving both hands free for whatever chaos parenting throws at you. When you close it, the wet side flips inside so water doesn't drip all over your car seats or your kid. Plus, it stands up by itself, so no more juggling umbrellas in cramped spaces. Get the Juayu inverted umbrella and make rainy day parenting actually manageable. Buy now, link in description, and don't forget to subscribe. GOTOSHARP. Forget portable fans that die in 20 minutes. This rechargeable umbrella fan kept me cool for my entire 6-hour beach day. The Calarmo 3-in-1 combines powerful UV protection with a built-in fan and mist spray that actually works. No more carrying multiple gadgets or hunting for shade. The enlarged umbrella surface blocks harmful rays while the fan creates instant relief. Even when beach winds picked up, those reinforced ribs held strong. Simple button control makes operation effortless. Stop settling for weak portable fans. Buy now and subscribe. GOTOSHARP. Link in description.